Hey guys, check out this tripod mounted whiteboard with a flip chart. So this thing is pretty cool. If you work from home, maybe you're a project lead, or even in the classroom if you're a teacher, these are really great because they have dual kind of functions. So first off, it does come with 25 pages of flip chart paper. So the size of this is about 24 inches by 36 inches. So it's a pretty good size. And then it has a whiteboard. It actually comes with 3 markers. You've got black, blue, and red ink here. Really good marker quality. These are not the cheap markers. It comes with an eraser. So when you're done, you can just clean it up there. And this is somewhat magnetized. There's little magnets in here, so you can just stick that there and it sticks right to it. It also comes with these little magnets. There's 5 of those. And then of course, there is a tripod. These little bars, so you can actually adjust the height on these. There's little graduation marks on it that tells you the height. That way you can get them even on all 3 sides, which I really appreciated that. So you can adjust it, if you're a little taller, if you're a little shorter. I do have it about halfway. So this thing will go up probably to about right here on me when I have it fully extended. But either way, these are really great. And this thing right here, you just pop it up. There's little hooks right here. So you can buy more of these paper packs. So when you use all the ones that come with it, just pop it out. It just comes right off and then put the new one on. And then when you're not using it and you want to go in whiteboard mode, you just kind of flip it over the back and it's good to go. So like I said, these are really great, especially like for me, I work from home and I like to kind of map out some of the projects I'm doing. And so I'm going to have this sitting up over in the corner. It was just too difficult for me to film it where I'm going to have it because of my desk. So anyway, if you're looking for a dual purpose whiteboard with a flip chart, definitely check this one out.